What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Tesla with the ticker symbol TSLA. I will first be going over what I see in the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So Tesla is hanging in there since last week, Monday. You see that it did trade down lower towards that 380 level once again. It is finding some type of support, and we did see a nice push up today. So is this the bottom, and are we going to continue higher, or is this a temporary bottom and we're going to continue to drop down lower? Well, let's analyze the price action, see if we could figure out what's going on. Well, overall price was in a nice uptrend, illustrated by this upward trend line, and then price topped out at this measure move target of about 491, and then that's when the sell-off started. The bears were able to make one large drop followed by another large drop, and that's where price started finding support at, and we're still finding support from that 384 level. However, price is below this bearish trend line, as you can see here. So once the bulls can clear this bearish trend line, there's not a lot of bearish signs on the chart, which tells me that we could probably see a rally develop out of this level. So once it clears this trend line, right around probably, if it can surpass the 420s, 430s, I think there's a good chance to probably retest the prior high and then continue from there. Overall, the trend was pretty bullish to begin with. It looks like price just came back down to retest that prior level of 380, the prior resistance level and the prior breakout level. And since it's finding support and it's evading a large drop down lower, because if it were to break down lower past the 380 level, then that tells me that we could be seeing a large decline. But since it's staying above that 380 level, the lower 380 level, this tells me that the trend still wants to continue pushing up higher. So overall, I don't think Tesla has topped out yet. This looks like a temporary top, and I think the trend is ready to move up higher. So that's what I see on the daily chart. Here's a look at the weekly chart. Earnings report looks to be coming out very soon, sometime probably the end of this month. And you can see that price is bouncing off the prior all-time high levels right over here, the high 300s. It's finding support instead of previously finding resistance from those levels, as you can see here. So it's a good sign that price is staying above it. Letting that EMA catch up as well, this blue line. So price is not getting too overextended as well. So overall, we did reach the measure move target, and that's what led to that decent sized correction. This is a measure move right here, one leg up, second leg up, right at the target. That's what led to the correction. We're seeing a pullback take place. Looks like the pullback could be coming to an end because it needs to stay above the 380 level for it to continue higher. If it falls below it, and it falls below it severely, then it could lead to a decent size decline. But as right now, since it's still maintaining support, it tells me that the trend has a good chance of continuing higher. So we'll see what happens for Tesla. I want to see a break of this downward trend line. If it breaks the downward trend line, I'm expecting the mid 400s and then the high 400s. If it gets rejected from the downward trend line, we're probably going to be seeing a retest of the lower 380s. And if it doesn't hold there, it could fall down quite a bit, probably to the mid to lower 300s. So all I have for Tesla on the daily weekly charts. But what I'm expecting is higher prices. Let's see if we draw a trend line across the swing lows. You drag it up to the highs, and you can see that we still have a little bit more room to the upside as well. So probably back up to the high 400s, low 500s level for Tesla. So that's all I see on the daily and weekly charts. Most likely I'll give you guys an update on Monday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.